In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import contact list to Constant Contact. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, conceptcontact.com, and then from in there, input right here the email address that you wish to use, and click onto this button. This is to actually get 14 days free trial of their tool. Once you have successfully signed up, you should be able to access your dashboard. Since I already have an account, let me click onto this login option that we can see right here. Now this will load in here my dashboard, and here is what it looks like. In order to import your contact list, you need to utilize this left sidebar. Scroll down. In here you can see the audience. So expand it. Scroll down, and here you can see the option for contacts as well as list and segments. So for this case, let's choose list and segments. You can see in here this one, you can now create your contact list. So as you can see, we already have a contact list, so you can already edit it, or you can also create a new one. Let's click on this create new. Let's choose in here this list and click on continue. Rename it right here. So for example, let's name it subscribers. Click on save. Click on open right here for the list. In here, you can see that you can actually select existing contacts, and we also have the option to upload these contacts. For this case, let's import a contact list by uploading contacts. Just click on this option right here, and it should be able to redirect you into this part. So it has the supported formats. We have CSV, XLS, XLSX, VCF, and TXT. So in here, you can just download the example file to get started and add it right here into the file. And once you have uploaded it, head over and click on continue. Then you map the fields and finalize that list. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.